When it comes to improving the curb appeal of your home in Redmond, few updates have as immediate and noticeable an impact as window replacement. Whether you're preparing to sell your home, looking to refresh its appearance, or simply wanting to make your living space more inviting, new windows can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. Windows are not just functional elements of your home, they also play a significant role in its visual appeal. If your windows are old, damaged, or outdated, they could be detracting from your home's exterior. Replacing your windows with modern, energy-efficient options can revitalize your home, increase its value, and make it stand out in your neighborhood. In this article, we'll explore how window replacement can enhance the curb appeal of your Redmond home and provide tips for choosing the best windows for your property. Updating your home's look with modern window styles. One of the most obvious ways that window replacement can boost your home's curb appeal is by refreshing the overall aesthetic of the exterior. Old windows can give your home a dated appearance, while modern windows can offer a sleek, contemporary look. Contemporary designs. New windows come in a variety of styles, from double-hung to casement, bay, and slider windows, allowing you to choose the perfect design that complements your home's architectural style. If your home is traditional, a double-hung window with elegant trim might be ideal. If you prefer a more modern aesthetic, casement windows with minimalist framing could give your home a stylish, clean look. Color and finish options. Modern windows offer more options in terms of color and finish. Whether you prefer classic white or a more bold option, like black or gray, you can find window frames that enhance the exterior of your home. Choosing the right color can harmonize your windows with other exterior elements, such as doors, siding, and landscaping. Boosting energy efficiency for year-round comfort. New windows are not only about looks, they can also dramatically improve your home's energy efficiency, which, in turn, enhances its curb appeal. In Redmond, where temperatures can vary significantly throughout the year, having energy-efficient windows can help you maintain a comfortable indoor climate without relying heavily on heating and cooling systems. Insulating glass. Modern windows are designed with insulating glass technology that helps keep the heat in during winter and cool air in during summer. This means you'll enjoy a more comfortable living space year-round, which directly impacts your home's overall atmosphere. A home that's well-maintained, comfortable, and energy-efficient looks more inviting from the outside. Lower energy bills. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models can reduce your energy costs by minimizing heat loss or gain. This can help you save money in the long run while reducing your environmental footprint. The appeal of a more energy-efficient home is undeniable, and it adds value to your property. Increased natural light for a brighter home. Natural light plays a major role in making your home feel welcoming, spacious, and bright. One of the easiest ways to bring more light into your home is by replacing your windows. Modern windows typically have larger glass areas and thinner frames, allowing for more natural light to flow into your living spaces. Brighter interiors. A well-lit home is more inviting and creates a positive first impression. New windows can let in more light while also improving the view of your outdoor spaces. Whether you're updating a single window or replacing all of the windows in your home, you'll instantly notice how much brighter and more open your interiors feel. Better connection to outdoors. Installing larger windows or those with a better view can create a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces. This is especially beneficial if you have beautiful landscaping or a scenic view around your Redmond home. A modern, well-placed window frame allows you to enjoy the outdoors from the comfort of your home. Improved safety and security. In addition to enhancing curb appeal, window replacement can also increase the security of your home. Older windows may have weakened frames, faulty locks, or single-pane glass, all of which can compromise the safety of your home. Stronger materials. Newer windows are made from stronger, more durable materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, which are resistant to damage and provide better security. Many modern windows come with impact-resistant glass and multi-point locking systems that make them harder to break into. Enhanced locks. Today's windows come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms that prevent unauthorized access. By investing in professional window installation, you'll not only improve your home's appearance but also make it more secure. Increased home value. Another major benefit of window replacement is that it can increase your home's market value. If you plan to sell your home in the future, new windows can give you a significant return on investment. Buyers are attracted to homes with modern, energy-efficient windows because they understand the long-term benefits of energy savings, comfort, and curb appeal. Attractive to buyers. When potential buyers walk through your home, they'll notice the new windows right away. Beautiful, high-quality windows instantly boost your home's attractiveness, and they signal that the home is well-maintained and up-to-date. Higher appraisal value. Homes with new windows tend to appraise higher than homes with outdated or damaged windows. If you're thinking of selling your property in the future, this simple upgrade can help you get a higher asking price. Lower maintenance requirements. Old windows often require frequent maintenance, such as painting, caulking, or dealing with stuck sashes. New windows are designed to be low maintenance, which means less time and money spent on upkeep. Easy cleaning. Modern windows are made with easier-to-clean materials, and some even feature tilt-in sashes that allow you to clean both sides of the glass from the inside. This convenience makes window maintenance much less of a chore, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your home's enhanced curb appeal. Conclusion. Replacing your windows is a powerful way to enhance the curb appeal of your Redmond home, while also improving its energy efficiency, comfort, and security. Whether you're looking to modernize the look of your home, save on energy costs, or increase its market value, new windows are an investment that pays off in both aesthetic and functional benefits. If you're ready to improve your home's exterior and enjoy long-term benefits, window replacement is an excellent solution to consider.